In this video, we will show you 3 ways of connecting ChatGPT, the powerful AI chatbot, to the internet. With internet connectivity, you can enhance ChatGPT's capabilities and access real-time information on a wide range of topics. Whether you're a curious user or a professional looking to integrate ChatGPT into your workflow. With that in mind, let's explore 3 simple methods for connecting ChatGPT to the internet. Browsing the web on ChatGPT using the KeyMate.AI Search Plugin, paid option. Numerous ChatGPT plugins offer internet connectivity, but KeyMate.AI Search outperforms the rest by aggregating results from various sources effectively. Unlike other plugins we tested, such as WebPilot, Mixerbox Web Search, Link Reader, and more, KeyMate.AI Search excels at fetching details from multiple sources. It's important to note that the only drawback of KeyMate.AI Search is the inclusion of a sponsored link at the end of responses. Enabling internet access with the Web ChatGPT extension, free option. If you're searching for a no-cost and straightforward solution to connect ChatGPT to the internet, the Web ChatGPT Chrome extension is a top choice. This extension enhances the functionality of OpenAI's chatbot, offering a free and accessible means of internet connectivity. Do subscribe and give a like to see more of such videos. Using ChatGPT with internet access via Microsoft Bing Chat. Microsoft's Bing Chat is well known for being powered by OpenAI's GPT-4 model and offers unrestricted internet access. Furthermore, Bing Chat sources its information from the Bing search engine, distinguishing it from most plugins and extensions that rely on the Google Search API. The great news is that Microsoft has made Bing Chat accessible on all browsers, including Chrome and Firefox. Therefore, if you prefer Bing over Google, you can confidently use Bing Chat on any browser with internet access. Hope you have a clear understanding of the options available to connect ChatGPT to the internet and the advantages they offer. Enhance your ChatGPT experience and take full advantage of its vast knowledge and conversational abilities. Remember to stay updated with the latest tech developments. Till next time.